Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is Basic Shapes tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use Basic Shapes tool in CorelDraw. So we use Basic Shapes tool for drawing basic shapes or perfect shapes. So let's see how it's work. First go over here under the graph paper tool and select the Basic Shapes tool from here and drag any shape like that. So first you can see that here we have our red knot, and when we move our mouse on the knot, so you can see the shape tool is visible, and click on it and drag it like that how you want. This red knot is for editing or changing it like how you want. You can create it from here. And we can draw any type of shape with the help of Basic Shapes tool. Now let's see the property bar. From here we can change the object position, like I want 3 and 4. So now you can see the object position is changed. Undo it. Then we have object size. From here we can change the object size like 4 by 5 and click enter. You can see the difference. And from here we can change the angle of rotation like that. Then we have mirror buttons. Just like that we can change it like how you want. And here we have perfect shapes. Click here and you can see different type of shapes like smiley, now we have outline style selector. That which you want, you can select it from here, and you can change the outline width from here. And if you want to draw another shape, you can select it from here. Like here we have 3D square. You can make it 3D style just like that. So in that way we can use Basic Shapes tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.